Venezuela. Our school is state project school forgive the children name members. Our project is working on the scientific basis producing ecological safety organic mineral manners.
Experiment. By considering the exercise of manners which contain complex nutrition substances in its composition, 3 of the brown coal, zeolite materials, and nutrition substances are added and concentrated them with 2 concentrating liquid in 3 stages. Preparation of complex concentrating liquid 100 millimeters, 21% of ammonium hydroxide, water liquid of ammiac, and 85% of liquid of medium phosphor slowly mixed continuously and neutralized until the field pH 6 to 7. It's over a substance that prepared in another glass, which is 200 grams of carbamide manure mixed with 50 grams of potassium chloride manure and melt in 100 millimeters of distilled water. Liquid with potassium and nitrogen are poured and mixed. But while adding carbamide and liquids of potassium chloride on the neutralized medium phosphor acids hot, which is 90 to 100 Celsius degrees liquid, the liquid's temperature becomes cold. Thus, in order to mix the liquids of carbamide and potassium chloride and medium phosphor acids liquid, the temperature of reaction cup, liquid cup, shall come until 90 to 100 degrees of Celsius and mixed. In this way, complex concentrating liquid will be ready during the 2 hours. Within complex concentrating liquid and brown coal and zeolite materials are enriched in 3 stages. Duration of the concentration is about 6 hours. Temperature is 90 Celsius degrees. Received information shown in Table 1. In this way, analyses that made in laboratory conditions have occurred the necessity of regulating amount of nutrition substances which are in composition during the preparing complex concentrating liquid. In the result of made a lot of scientific tests and calculating the mutual relations between nutrition substances in order to be regularly nitrogen, phosphor, potassium. It's proved that it's possible to regulate its composition concentration during the preparing complex concentrating liquid. Consequently, it's brought into light the possibilities of organic mineral manners which contain different concentrations of nutrition substances in their composition. By considering the necessity of more time and employee power while concentrating the complex concentrating liquid with local raw materials step by step, they are made tests with the concentrating method in one stage in the laboratory conditions with all amount of complex concentrating liquid that shall be spent. By the result of made a lot of test works, possibilities of organic mineral manners production in this method have been worked out and have prepared the organic mineral manners samples. Laboratory samples of organic mineral manners called concentrated zeolite 1, concentrated zeolite 2, and concentrated coal. Prepared organic mineral manners chemical composition has been learned in scientific basis. Taken information shown in Table 2. First, the total amount of nutrition substances in the composition is equal to 40.90%, including amount of nitrogen nutrition substances equal to 19.30%, amount of phosphor nutrition substance is 16.20%, amount of potassium nutrition substances is 5.40%, amount of humus is 1.31%, pH bigness is 7.15%, that's called concentrated zeolite 1. Second, the total amount of nutrition substances in the composition is equal to 42.30%, including amount of nitrogen nutrition substance is equal to 20.89%, amount of phosphor nutrition substance is 14.03%, amount of potassium nutrition substances is 7.51%, amount of humus is 1.4%, pH bigness is 7.13%. That's called concentrated zeolite 2. Third, The total amount of nutrition substances in the composition is equal to 48.70%, including amount of nitrogen nutrition substance is equal to 25.76%, amount of phosphor nutrition substance is 16.40%, amount of potassium nutrition substance is 6.62%, amount of humus is 21.50% to the account of brown coal, pH bigness is 7.50%. That's called concentrated coal. Of samples of organic mineral manures are synthesized in laboratory conditions. In conclusion, it's first time proved that it's possible to prepare the new type organic mineral manures with humus, with high concentration, regularly keeping the tree of nutrition substances in its composition on the basis of concentrating local raw materials with complex concentrating liquid in laboratory conditions. Performed tests showed that brown coal better concentrates with nitrogen, zeolite materials with phosphor nutrition substances.